Machiegni kendo miche mag Jodak ma Mombasa nowuok oko kawuono ka gikwedo lweny e kind piny Israel kod Palestine. Wuodhno mamuol nochakore apaya mamoi nyaka alap ma Makadara ka bende notingo jotelo mag piny owacho mamalo ka gidwaro mondo piny Kenya owit oko chung' ma gikawo e lwenyni. Mae timore sama monj medore e kind piny Israel kod mano ma Palestine.
Sisi tunamwambia rais aondoe kauli yake ile ya kuwa pamoja na wale, asimame na haki.
Again, why are they doing this to Palestine? We are here, solidarity for Palestine. We might be weak in weapons, but we are very strong in faith, and we shall overcome. We shall overcome.
He never denied people food or what, even in their Jews books. Moses, he was very kind to everyone, to humanity.
Nasimama hapa kama kiongozi na kusema sio dhuluma Palestine tu, bali mataifa yote. Mahala ambapo kutakuwa na dhuluma, tuna haki ya kusimama na kusema. Kwa siku 15 mtawalia, watoto wanauliwa na mabomu, kina mama, wazee, watu wamepoteza familia zao, majengo yamevunjwa katika one of the biggest open air prison.
It's so sad. The main reason why we are here today is to come together to unite as one, not as only as Muslim, but the whole world, Christian, Muslim, Jews, the Hindu, everybody is here united as one. Why? We want to stop this genocide. In fact, this is not even a genocide. This is a mass destruction. How can you stop and how can you deny children from eating?
Lit kod kuyo kwa skul sekondari